What's up, gang? You know how I get down. Got some more work for you. Check this out. Got this 2009 BMW. Had to take all of this stuff off. I'm gonna be changing the valve cover gaskets. It's my tools right here. But all of this stuff had to come off. Panels, injectors, coils. That's the valve cover gasket. All of this on the inside. But yeah, like I said, all of this had to get done. Alright, y'all know how I do. I'll holler at y'all when I'm finished. Yeah, boy. Alright, y'all, first start up. There we go.
Where's the battery?
You need a jump?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You know what?
We got a minor setback, y'all. Here we go. We ready for you.
Ready?
Part 2. Let's try this again. All of this had to get put back together. All of this. All of this stuff right here. Hit it. Yeah, give it a second, y'all. Give it a minute. Give it 1 minute. The battery gotta actually get some juice. But yeah, bro, all of this had to get put back together. We did that though. Third time is a charm, y'all. There we go. She started. She's running. We had to get a jump from this one though. Yeah, we got Beamer galore up in here, baby. Look at that, bud. Y'all know how we get down with the BMW. Yeah, we had some smoke, man. Customer said got an oil leak over here. Had to change out them valve cover gaskets. The rest of this oil gonna have to burn off. So it's gonna be smoking. You know, you see all that.